welcome to another video. Alright, so today we are building the motor. Trays are in. Happy. Even the pistons are happy that it's getting built. Sponsor. Here's Cam. Hell yeah. Getting ready. A bunch of projects in here getting ready. Alright. Studs are in. Ready for the heads. Fuck yeah. This is gonna come out sick. Giving a nice little cleanup before we get working. Sponsor putting in work. Sheesh. Trays are in, everything. The lifters and all that stuff. There it is. The heads are in. Sheesh. Looking like an engine now. Yeah. Little break. Working on my boy's truck now. That shit's spotless. Gonna do a little baby cam. Stage 1.5. Hell yeah. What do you think, bro? How's this one gonna do?
Should get.
It should, right?
Ford right there.
Oh, that Ford? That white one? Hey, maybe. Hell yeah.
Go.
It's gonna be tight.
Let go. Almost.
This is my boy's stop cam. Oh yeah, that's the engine. The valve cover on. Put some gaskets on. Get back to it in a minute. We're just a little busy right now. We're in the process of putting this bitch back together. Cam's already in. What else you need? Some fucking water pump. Put everything else back on. Radiator. Timing cover. About to hear it chop in just a little bit. The moment of truth. Is it gonna blow up? Yeah. Needs more water, bro. Alright. Now we're gonna start it. You can't really tell.
Yeah, I think that's one.
Yeah? Probably a little bit. Once it went, oh, it's going now. Yeah. God damn, boy. What are your RPMs like? Oh, yeah. You're at 1,000. No leaks, nothing? What happened? Sounds healthy. Sounds good. now, bro. Yeah, damn. It doesn't sound like too loud, huh? It sounds really good.
You hear that noise, that clicking?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a lifter.
Oh, a lifter. Like a bad one, you think?
Huh?
A bad one? Yeah. Damn. Is that the Cumbia Kings? Only needs is a tune.
No creo que muchos le quieran correr después de que la hacen.
Yeah, bro.
Kinda.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Another eventful day with the sponsor. You guys can see, finished up the motor, my motor, and then we did some gears for some other client of his, and we also did the cam on my boy over there, Naya. Yeah, fuck. It was a long ass day. Fucking woke up at 5. Got here like around 6:47, something like that. But yeah, that shit was cool. I mean, it was a long ass day, but we got a lot of shit done. So yeah, good to know that we did a lot of progress, especially on my motor. Because we really want to push that thing out. He's just been so busy with clients, but I've been, telling him, pretty much to take care of his clients because, guys got to eat, So, yeah, pretty much, y'all. Yeah, that was done for today. Hopefully next time we'll probably get a little glimpse of my homie tuning his truck. And then, might, I don't know, tune mine. Right now I'm actually saving up for that supercharger. I'm not sure, maybe hopefully I'll get it by Christmas. A little treat to myself. That would be pretty nice. I wouldn't mind that at all, y'all. But yeah, on that note, gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more content, more videos, more shenanigans, bullshit that I do. I mean, most of these videos, are just for my homies, for my close friends that I have. I don't really want to get famous off this shit, but if I do, fuck it, hey. I'm just playing. But yeah, to all my homies out there watching, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. Yeah, y'all, I mean, you guys are on this journey with me, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. And if there's anything else I should do, spice things up a little bit, shit, let me know, yo. Alright, y'all, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.